first of all, it is a Green Day day that doesn't have to do with Billy Joe. You know why? Because I'm Green Day obsessed as opposed to Billy Joe obsessed.
Summer's hugging me right now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, bitch, my space. Spit. This kid doesn't like his photos taken. Get a video of him. Do it. You're so depressed.
I don't like pictures.
Yes, you do.
Remember when you rubbed Tyler's head?
Yeah, that was kind of weird. My mom found out about the girl's bathroom and she told me to delete it, but I'm not going to.
Don't. So funny.
I'm not going to.
Whose orgasm? No. Oh my
You broke
God.
the light. You have no right to talk.
Oi, oh my God, Spence broke the light in drama. He
I know, it was amazing.
And it broke. And it, like, shattered.
Okay, that's old news.
No, it was amazing.
Why is it amazing?
Okay.
Let's zoom in on my shoe.
That's right. My shoes are better.
No!
I got creepers. So black. You're such a light voice.
Did you get one?
Oh,
Yeah.
look at my shoe. My shoes are better.
Okay, bye.